What's up, guys? We're at birdcreek today with my man.
What's happening?
Yo. And brother-in-law, Chris. And brother-in-law. That's us. Are you gonna use these?
Nope.
But yeah, we'll see how it goes. We're planning to fish the incoming tide, so we're gonna go floss first. And when the tide comes up, we're gonna use eggs. So yeah, catch you guys later. Guys, Chris is gonna be showing you guys. This is when we fish for high tide or for eggs. So basically, we have an egg loop knot right here. Now, what I like to do is I like to put an artificial egg right here in the back of it, and I like to follow it up with homemade cured eggs. And we're fishing the low tide right now, but the water's pretty high, so we're gonna be using this. So yeah, we'll see how we do. Fight it, fight it! Nice, nice on the egg involver, guys. Right here. That's a silver right there.
You pulling them up?
Yeah, pull on your right side. Yeah, yep. Find him to the right side and then pull him up. He bit it, you see? Nice, yeah, up to the mud. Yeah, up to the mud. Nice. Bro, yeah. I'm so excited, bro. The man himself.
Hey guys.
Yes, sir. The king of birdcreek.
How many minutes I was here?
He's only been...
Rockfish!
He's been only here for like 5 minutes and he's already got 2. I didn't record it because I was getting his fish. And then go over there, call rockfish somehow.
Look at my fish, man.
Look at that guy.
Hey, give me one Coho.
Ai, bố chim lại ai à? Thì bố anh cả tù á, chim lại buồn chạy. Chris, go up there, Chris. Go up there.
Bro, I just tangled your shit hella bad.
You're good. You can go up there.
Bro, I'm just filming y'all, yo. Oh, fly, yo.
Oh, yo! What you gotta say, man?
Man, that was the best fight I ever had all day.
Yeah, so. But next year, though. Oh my!
Oh shit, right in there, yo.
Go tired.
That's fire, bro.
Tired.
Let's go, y'all. Pretty hella hard. Bro.
You're hella funny, dude.
Bro, my little
We are. 2 in a row.